You know the bag full I know with guineps, you know. As you don't know me there, I go and look some guinep, guys. If you go in the market, yeah guys, there's the guinep tree, guys. Then go and load up the container there. And so we carry them out. Morning my beautiful people. This is DJ SWICKED Vlogs in the place. Yeah guys, and as I tell you before, in a previous video that I was doing, guys, yeah, I was there picking some guineps, you know. Well, this morning, guys, I'm about to go on the road with them, you know what I mean. So guys, before this video even reach any further, guys, me need you to start click the like button, like up the video, you know what I mean. Yeah man, so more people can, you know, see it. Cause me know once I start like it up YouTube or start share it, you know what I mean. So guys, yeah man, start do the right thing by start like up the video right away, guys, you know what I mean. Yeah man, if you never yet commented, yeah man, please leave a comment, guys. Let me know what you think about this vlog, you know what I mean. Yeah guys, you know I'm a beautiful subscriber already, my beautiful people, I'm a watch already, so don't worry about it, guys. Yeah man, I don't know it's a joy in the morning, you see me? Yeah man, I just want you guys to continue invite people over, you know. Yeah man, make them know DJ SWICKED Vlogs have a wonderful thing going on over here, you know what I mean. Yeah my beautiful people, so continue to do the right thing, guys, and me continue to show you guys the love, you know what I mean. Don't know guinep settings this morning, as me tell you guys. Yeah man, you know the ball game go already. Yeah man, so stay tuned, me try to keep an update on what's going on for the day, you know what I mean. Yeah man, guinep settings, guys, fully active, fully out. Yeah man, all who want us take up a bunch. Yeah man, take up what you want, man. Don't know we active, you know. Always out to try the right. Yeah man. Granny would have said by the sweat of your brother shall eat bread, you know. Yeah man. Lazy man of eat. You see it? Yeah man. So don't worry about it, my beautiful people. Yeah man, just continue to do the right thing. Support DJ SWICKED Vlogs every time. As me try to keep, you know, update on the natural stuff them we have a deliver to the people in the town, and you know, all of what we are doing in a little environment to try to keep on updates. So don't worry about it, guys. Yeah man, peace out and keep doing right, you know. Yeah man. Yeah man, they done no early morning vibes outside. You know what I mean? Yeah man, early morning cloud there cut grass. Yeah man, so don't worry about it, my beautiful people. Yeah man, DJ SWICKED Vlogs out. You don't know we always do the right, you know. Yeah man, anytime we do the wrong, something really have to go wrong, because we always try to do the right, you see pre. Yeah man, who see the breadfruit tree? You know what I mean? Guess we're not supposed to see young one them live on it. No wrong thing to our thing, you see me? Always try to stay up on a narrow road. Granny say narrow the road it better for you. Broad the road be a problem, tormentation. And if you never hear that one day. But sometimes we have to keep on the update on the granny what them in our car. Don't know them now keep it stronger every day, is it? Yes man. Without granny words them we can't nice, you know. Yeah man, them they really are strengthen with day by day. Yes I. Breadfruit in the morning, yeah. Yes I. Young breadfruit, I just have to push out pan tree. I know if you can't see it. Yeah man, but you don't know. Breadfruit crop take time to come back, you know, fully effective. So don't worry about it, you know. Yeah man. Active out here. DJ SWICKED Vlogs every time, you know. Yeah man, natural breed, you know. Downtown life, guys. Always on the go, you know, my people. Always I try to do it too, you know. Yeah man, by sweat of a brother shall eat bread, you know. So you don't know the bread me I work towards. I work towards the bread, you know. I And everybody out, guys. Everybody are doing their thing. Yeah, man. So we outside. Yeah, man, you know, down a town style today, guys. Yeah, man, take time, one tree, you know what I mean? Outside, peeps. Yeah, man. Downtown style, my people. Yeah, my beautiful people, downtown style, you know what I mean? 100 a bag, Guinep, baby. Can't taste and buy, man. We love the people. Zan Valley's true. Don't let them fool. Yeah, man, normal pre, my people. Don't know the thing going on. There's somebody Guinep me have over here. Fully outside people, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Active outside. Yeah, man. They are going to do it same way. They are kind of slow, but I have to give God thanks same way. You see it? Yeah, man. Don't know. Flash out a crate already outside, so take time and do it, guys. Yeah, man. One cocoa full basket, don't it? Yeah, man. Active. Taste some by Guinep. Yeah, man, normal pre, you see it? Here would street me the normal pre, you know, downtown lifestyle. Yeah, man, people are go to and fro, you see pre? Yeah, man, downtown lifestyle. Oh, them are going like me now? Yeah, man, active outside right now, guys. Active. Record. Everything we have to record. The vlogging channel, me I do it for. Hello, any Guinep taste some by? Active outside, guys. You know the ball game go already. Yeah, man, fully active. To and fro. Everybody are going to do their own thing. Cheers, somebody. Guinep me have. Unless I make them hear what I want, see what I want. It's the normal procedure, is it? Yeah, man. Go open a full jar that one, you know what I mean? Yeah, those one crate me have left on the little, you know what I mean? Guinep sure. Yeah, man, see out here I do the right thing, man, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. I say no word, know the thing, bro. Yeah, man. Fully outside, man. $100 a bag, baby. You tight? Oh, say the Guinep. Taste and buy Guinep we have. Sure, say we are running them out today, you know what I mean? Fully active. Nurse, where you say no Guinep today? Active outside, you know.
Say potato 100, scale ya 100.
I mean,
Carrot and carrot, Irish and
fully active.
100 a pound, scale ya.
Up a yard, taxi them there. No, this is good already.
Tomato 100, Irish and onion.
Taste and buy Guinep, taste and buy Guinep.
Scale ya 100 a pound.
Taste and buy Guinep. You know today not too bad, me have a grateful, you know what I mean? Yeah man, don't know. Just a little me have left for run out, you know guys. Yeah man, say you know it's a buzz down. Yeah man. Yeah, they're on my side today. You know about the sweater for bro, we shall eat bread, right? Yeah man, so we outside guys. Fully active downtown. Yeah man. Know the thing go. Yeah man, active outside. Active, we there do the right thing. You see me, never try do the wrong, you know. Yeah man. He that know the right and do the wrong shall get spanked. Nah man. DJ SWICKED up on the scheme guys. Nah man. Fully active, fully active. Yeah man, we active out here. Jamaican style, you see me? DJ SWICKED's vlogs. Everything alright, everything connect. Yeah man, no worry about it. Normal green. Normal green. Yeah man. Dep on the last wire now guys. Try to get the ball game round off, you know? Yes, I. So no worry about it. Now, I mean, the sweat of a bird shall eat bread, you know. These are just them few little bag them you have left. Yeah, man. Natural tea. Yeah, man. Take time around half in the evening. Yeah, man. Don't know the people, they are all heap in the place, same way. Apple man, they are going to do things. Yeah, man. Excitement in the town, yeah, guys. You know the ball game going. Yeah, man. Fully active in the town. Outside, you see it pray. Yeah, man. Active. Man, they within shop out on him bicycle. Active move. Yeah, man. Active outside. You know the thing though. Oh, say the Guinea punch in the bag. Yeah, my beautiful people, thanks for watching. You don't know it, this is DJ SWICKED Vlogs. You know what I mean? The man just continue to do the right thing, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Catch you in another video. You see, pray. Yes, just continue to do the right thing, guys. Like and share the video. Downtown Kingston today. Yeah, man. Peace out.